things up a little bit, high school football is back. It's a nice Friday for that. Today, players in at least some school districts will suit up and get back on the field for their first official game of the season. With COVID-19, though, there are some different protocols and rules that players, fans, and coaches have to follow. CBS 4's Charlene Cristobal joins us with what will look different.
Well, it will really depend on the school. So the IHSAA released those guidelines for districts to consider, but it's really leaving it up to these schools to decide what works best for them. And really the main reason for that is because not every county is being impacted by the virus the same way. Some have fewer cases than others. So that means while some schools can sell only 200 tickets to 250 tickets per side to limit people in the stands, others can have more. Now, the association is, of course, encouraging social distancing and mask wearing as well. Now, we know there are several teams that have had to cancel their first game of the season because of too many players in quarantine. So games like Center Grove versus Warren Central, or even Greenfield Central High School having to suspend their entire season until the end of August. The IHSAA says that they went into this knowing something like that was possible, and they are completely okay with it because the main priority is the health and safety of everyone involved.
But once they get back, we're going to pick right up where we left off, and we're going to keep on playing. I mean, I think that's what people want us to do, and that's what kids want to do, but we got to do it safely.
So on that note, the association believes what happens off the field and outside of school is a big concern. Commissioners say if someone has an exposure, it is their responsibility to be honest with officials, or else they could be risking the health and safety of their entire team. Now, the IHSAA says that yes, things will look different, and they actually do plan on reevaluating their guidelines and their conditions every 2 weeks just to see where they need to readjust. But they are encouraging people to really be patient and to do their duty and their due diligence on and off the field so that these kids can continue to play the sport that they love. I'll send it back to you.